Welcome to Spidell's California Minute. I'm your host, Catherine Zidane. This week we're covering the FTB's new one-time penalty abatement provision, which goes into effect for tax years beginning on or after January 1st, 2022. We'll be covering this topic at Spidell's Federal and California Tax Update, along with conformity to the Secure 2.0 Act, the Pass-Through Entity Elective Tax, and more. To see a list of topics covered and get registered for a live seminar or webinar session, go to caltax.com. Last year, California enacted a one-time late filing or late payment penalty abatement program for individual taxpayers. However, there are key differences between California's program and the IRS's first-time penalty abatement program. The two primary differences are California relief is only available to individuals. It's not available to business entities, including fiduciaries, trusts, or estates. And California's program is a one-time abatement program. It's not available every 4 years like it is with the IRS. A legislative change would be required to expand the program beyond individuals and to make it available more than once. This new provision applies to requests for abatement made for taxable years beginning on or after January 1st, 2022, so taxpayers will not be able to take advantage of this new relief until after the 2022 tax year payment and filing deadlines have passed, which is November 16th, 2023 for most California taxpayers as a result of the storm-related disaster postponements that were available. Penalties imposed for pre-2022 tax years do not qualify for California's one-time penalty abatement program. Taxpayers can qualify for a one-time abatement if all of the following conditions are met. The taxpayer is compliant with all tax return filing requirements. The taxpayer has not previously been granted a one-time abatement under Revenue and Taxation Code Section 19132.5, and the taxpayer has paid in full all outstanding liabilities other than the timeliness penalties that they're requesting to have abated, or they arrange to pay pursuant to an installment agreement and are current on all installment payments. Taxpayers can apply for first-time penalty abatement instead of applying for reasonable cause abatement or after applying for reasonable cause abatement and being denied. Requests can be made either orally or in writing, and abatement only applies to a timeliness penalty related to one taxable year. Requests can be made by submitting Form FTB 2918, One-Time Penalty Abatement Individual, or by calling the FTB at 800-689-4776. Spidell's California Tax Letter is a monthly newsletter that will ensure both you and your clients are up to date with California tax law changes. You can get subscription details and download a sample issue at caltax.com under Publications. That's all for this week. Join us next time for another episode of Spidell's California Minute.